Hi all, myself K. Karthik Kumar, Assistant Professor from the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, National Engineering College, Kovilpatti, Tamil Nadu. This lecture is going to be an lecture series on electrical circuit analysis. That is, in this lecture, we will have some objective or course outcomes, and this lecture is completely based on or commonly used for that is under Anna University or any autonomous institution, those who are pursuing a second year and third semester under EEE department, or they can be under EC department. This subject is very useful to the students, and in this lecture we are going to see an introduction and the syllabus objective or course outcome. We will see what are that is this is a common course code under 19 regulation, that is 19 EE 32C, electrical circuit analysis. We will see what are the course outcomes, that is upon the successful completion of this course, the students will be able to describe the basic concepts of electric circuits, which is under K2 level, and they can illustrate the network theorems for DC as well as in AC circuits, which is also under K2 level. The third objective or CO is explain the concept of resonance circuits, which is also under K2 level. The fourth one is they can able to discuss the dynamic behavior of circuit, that is electric circuits, which is under K2 level, and they can also interpret the performance of three-phase electric circuits, that is also K2 level. Generally this subject is combination of theory part as well as analysis part as well as problematic part. Let us see in detailed content of each this CO, that is CO1, that is basic circuit analysis, that is unit 1 or chapter 1. Here we will see the basic laws and basic terms related to any electrical network, and mesh analysis, nodal analysis, and their problems and their limitations, and how they can be, and the other limitation, that is other things that can solve such limitation caused by some laws, and will provide some analysis for DC as well as in AC circuits. This comes under the CO1, that is unit 1. Next is CO2, that is network reduction and network theorems for DC and AC circuits. That is the content is network reduction, voltage and current division, source transformation, star delta conversion, Thevenin's theorem, Norton's theorem, superposition theorem, maximum power transfer theorem. The last one is reciprocity theorem. We will see in detail in our further lectures what are the statement and derivations, and how to solve or how to prove the theorems. We will see in our further series. Next is unit 3, that is resonance and coupled inductors. Here there will be a series parallel resonance, and for that each we will have a quality factor and bandwidth equations, and we will see what is self and mutual inductance and what is coefficient of coupling, and there will be some small derivation under single tuned circuits. The fourth one is transient response analysis, which is under CO4. That is, here we will be seeing the transient response of each RL, that is resistance inductance and the resistance capacitance RC. The third one is resistance inductance capacitance RLC circuits using Laplace transform for DC as well as AC sinusoidal input. This will have some small derivation as well as some analytic part. And the fifth one is, that is the fifth CO, which is unit 4, three-phase circuits and two-part networks. That is, the content will have a three-phase balanced as well as unbalanced voltage sources, and they also have analysis of three-phase, three-wire and four-wire circuits with the star as well as delta connected loads, and balanced as well as unbalanced loads, and their phasor diagrams of voltages and currents. And we will see what is power and power factor measurements in three-phase circuits, and a small overview of two-port network. These are the major 5 COs or CO objectives of the courses, that is electric circuit analysis. We will see in further lecturers. Thank you, and subscribe to the channel.